हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं आपकी दोस्त और आपको करनी है केमिस्ट्री के साथ दोस्ती। वेलकम टू दोस्ती केमिस्ट्री के साथ दोस्ती करने के लिए आपको केमिस्ट्री के कुछ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट पता होना बहुत जरूरी है। तो शुरू करते हैं। सम बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री इज परसेंटेज कंपोजिशन. The first one is mass percent. The mass percent of an element is equal to the mass of that element in compound multiplied by the 100 and divided by molar mass of compound. For example, water molecule. The molar mass of water molecule is 18.02 gram. Then calculate the mass percent of hydrogen. The mass percent of hydrogen is equal to the 2 multiplied 1.008 into 100 divided by 18.02. 2 is 2 hydrogen molecule. So, to multiplied by the mass of hydrogen is 1.008 multiplied by the 100 and divided by 18.02. That means molar mass of compound is 18.02 is equal to the 11.18. Then calculate the mass percent of oxygen. One oxygen molecule. The mass of oxygen is 16 multiplied by the 100 and divided by the molar mass of water molecule is 18.02 is equal to the 88.79. What is the percentage of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in ethanol? The molecular formula is ethanol is C2H5 and OH. Molar mass of ethanol. Ethanol formula is C2H5OH. 2 carbon molecule, 6 hydrogen molecule and 1 oxygen molecule. Therefore, carbon mass is 12, hydrogen mass is 1.008 and oxygen mass is 16 gram. 2 carbon molecule. So, therefore, 2 multiplied by 12 is 24. 6 hydrogen molecule is multiplied by the mass of hydrogen is 1.008 is equal to the 6.048 plus oxygen mass is 16. Therefore, 46.068 gram. The molar mass of ethanol is 46 gram. Then calculate the mass percentage of carbon, mass percentage of hydrogen and mass percentage of oxygen. The first one, we calculate the mass percentage of carbon. The mass percentage of carbon is equal to the mass of carbon. The mass of carbon is 12 and 2 carbon molecule in ethanol. So, 2 carbon molecule mass is 24 gram is multiplied by the 100 and divided by the molar mass of ethanol, that is 46.068 gram. Therefore, 24 multiplied by the 100 divided by the 46.068 gram is equal to the 52.14 percentage. The mass of percentage of carbon in ethanol is 52.14%. Then calculate the mass of hydrogen. The mass of hydrogen is 1.048, but in ethanol 6 hydrogen molecule. So, therefore 6 into 1.008 is equal to the 6.048 gram of hydrogen multiplied by the 100 and divided by the molar mass of ethanol. The molar mass of ethanol is 46.068 gram. Therefore, 6.048 multiplied by the 100 divided by the 46.068. Therefore, 13.13 percentage. That means the mass percentage of hydrogen in ethanol is 13 percentage. Then we calculate the mass percentage of oxygen. The mass percentage of oxygen is equal to the mass of oxygen. The mass of oxygen is 16. In ethanol, only one oxygen atom. The mass of oxygen is 16. Multiplied by the 100 and divided by the 46.068. The 46.068 is the molar mass of ethanol. Therefore, 34.73 percentage. That means mass percentage of oxygen is 34.73 percentage. Then another topic is reactions in solution. The majority of reactions is carried out in laboratories. It is important to understand how the amount of substance which is expressed when it is present in solution. The concentration of solution or amount of substance present in its given volume, which can express in any of the following is. First one is mass percent or weight percent, mole fractions. Third is molality, normality. First one is mass percentage. The mass percentage is equal to the mass of solute divided by the mass of solution and multiplied by the 100. Solution means solute plus solvent. For example, a solution is prepared by the adding 2 gram of substance A to the 18 gram of water. Water is solvent. Calculate the mass percentage of solute. The mass percentage of A. The mass of A divided by the mass of solution and multiplied by the 100. The mass of A is 2 gram. 2 gram of substance A divided by mass of solution. Mass of solution means 2 gram of substance A plus 18 gram of water, which is the solvent, multiplied by the 100. 2 plus 18, 20 gram. So 2 divided by 20 into 100 is therefore is equal to the 10%. The mass percentage A, substance A, which is the 10%. Then second is the mole fraction. The mole fraction is the ratio of number of moles of a particular compound to the total number of moles of a solution. For example, if substance A, which is dissolved in substance B, and their number of moles are Na and Nb, which is respectively, then the mole fraction of A and B. The mole fraction of A is equal to the number of moles of A, which is the solute, divided by the number of moles of solution. That means therefore is equal to the Na divided by Na plus Nb, which is the solution. Then mole fraction of B, the number of moles of B. B is also solute, divided by the number of moles of solution. Nb divided by Na plus Nb. Then third is molarity, the concentration of solution or amount of substance present in its given volume can express in the molarity, the number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. It's called molarity. The molarity is denoted by capital M, which is equal to the number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Suppose 1 mole of NaOH means 1 mole of NaOH present in 1 liter of solution. 1 molar solution when 1 mole of substance which is dissolved in 1 liter volume of solution. Then the solution become 1 molar. 1 molar means 1 mole of substance which is dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Then fourth is molality. Molality means number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent, which is denoted by small n. And molarity means number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution, which is denoted by capital M. Molality is equal to the number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. Normality, which is denoted by N, capital N, the number of gram equivalent of solute which is dissolved in liter of volume of solution. The normality, which is denoted by capital N, which is equal to the number of gram equivalent solute divided by volume of solution in liter. The gram equivalent means given mass divided by the equivalent weight.